Okay, opening up a shipment from Bottlecap Press. I may have torn into it already. These are chapbooks from Bottlecap Press. So let's get into it. Oh God. There's a lot of tape that went into this. No books, hopefully, were harmed in the making of this video. I'm about to find out real quick. Okay. They really packed them in here, though. I will say I'm impressed. I have to cut more into it. Okay. Slow day on a Saturday, which is always a bummer, honestly. But what can you do? Like, Outside Lands is happening, Crunchyroll Expo is happening. There's also a Comic-Con in Chicago happening, so like, fuck it. Anyways, alright, so we need another word for this love. By Kate Thomas. I like the cover here with the cat and the bird. Mommy issues. Love poems for the fragile queer heart. Moscato Mondays. That reminds me of when I was in college. Me and my friends had something called Tequila Tuesday. I actually think we did Moscato. I feel like we did Moscato Mondays too. That's so funny. I love it. Oh, this is sick. It's just an excerpt here. Alright, let's check it. This one, the angels have always been black. Waves closing over us. I am trying to fall in love with myself, but instead I keep falling in love with unemployed noise musicians who do coke and believe in the power of crystals. Wow. That's great. Oh, this is really fun too. Emma Shepard is 22 years old and lives in Cleveland. She doesn't go to college, but sometimes she ghostwrites erotic fiction stories for a woman she met on Craigslist. It was not specified if this woman is old. This is her first chapbook. That's pretty sick. Cool. Let's see, what else? What gets left over? Sick cover. Sunlight for breakfast. This one looks really pretty. Some of these look I was reading some of these online. I'm really excited about this. This is a thick one. Woo! The Day by Jenny Wu and Julia Tolo. This looks sick. Yeah, super awesome. And then got Catabasis. This looks also really awesome. There's a lot of like prose poetry in this one. And then we have Peach Milk. It's pretty cool. A lot of like prose poetry, which is awesome. This one's called 4chan Ghost. Sick. Alright, cool. And then another Moscato Monday. And that's it. Chapbooks that we just got in the mail today. Stay tuned. Tomorrow maybe I will post an unboxing from my Black Mask shipment. Just got some stuff for some Patreon subscribers, and like there was a San Diego Comic-Con exclusive that I got for someone. They look pretty sick, and I think the new Destiny New York. Awesome.